Gorilla. Bird. Goat. Horse. Peacock. Lion. Elephant. Squirrel. Sheep. Owl. Hippo, a striking, medium-sized bird recognized by its unique crown of feathered horns and a melodious call. What distinguishes the hippo from other animals is its remarkable combination of elegance and practicality, with its distinctive long, slender bill. It uses it not only for feeding on insects and small creatures, but also for creating nest holes in tree trunks and burrows. Their ancient association with folklore across cultures adds to their distinction, as the hippo is revered as a symbol of transformation and rejuvenation, embodying nature's harmony in both form and folklore.